Hey everyone, so today I wanted to talk to you guys about my new favourite coloured wig, and that's one that I'm wearing right now. This is from Rene of Paris, and this is from their new series called Breezy Wavez. I have it in the colour Dusty Rose, and I'd like to tell you guys a little bit about it and give you my thoughts on it as well. So keep on watching if you'd like to hear more. So when this collection first came out, I was so excited. I had posted about it on my Instagram stories and on my feed. This week went straight onto my wish list because I thought, wow, that colour is stunning. So the colour, first of all, is Dusty Rose. I'm not sure how it looks on camera. It might appear a little more orange than it is pink, or it might appear a little lighter, but I am in direct sunlight at the moment. Only if I go outside in the sun, you'll see a little difference. So I might insert a short clip of what it looks in direct sunlight, so under the sun. But yes, I have sun facing me at the moment, so this is pretty true to color in terms of inside the house. But yes, this color is just so beautiful. There's really no way I can explain this color other than it is a dusty rose. So it has some really nice rooting all the way around. It has some darker roots that blend really well with this beautiful dusty rose color. Yeah, I'm truly in love with this color. I think it was meant for me. It was meant for my skin tone. And the style is Breezy Wavez. So it is a cute shaggy bob with some, some really choppy fringe layers, and yeah, it's just a really easy wig. I mean, let me do a quick 360 for you guys so you can see what it looks like all the way around. But yeah, I'm in love, already in love. So this is just so darn cute. I love the style. I love the flippy little curls. So this shaggy cut is great with this curl pattern. I really like how the curls fall. I was a bit afraid that it would look a little strange in terms of a shag, but no, this is just great. I love it. The bangs, I didn't really need to trim. Someone had asked me if I needed to trim the bangs or what have you. If the bangs are too long, just smooth the wig back a little bit. And because it's a non-lace front, you can cover that up a bit, but I found that I just had to scrunch it up a bit. If you want, add some piecing cream to it. So you just need to give it a bit of volume to lift it up. If you flatten against your face, it's too long. But yeah, just give it a bit of volume. Play around with it. It's supposed to be messy. It's not supposed to be a neat wig. And yeah, it just falls quite nicely. You can move this one to the side. I've seen a lot of reviews with this on the side like that, but no, go for a straight down. I haven't had my hair like this in a really long time, so I'm into the fringe with this one. It looks really great and really piecey and quite fun. So as I mentioned, it's a really easy to wear wig. It's a shake and go wig, as it's the most simple form of a shape and go wig. It has no lace front. It has a bit of permatease on the top because it's a basic cap. But yeah, other than that, it's really, really easy. I don't recall if the fibers are heat friendly. I will confirm up in the corner and up on the screen if they are. But yeah, they're very soft. The fibers are extremely soft. Like, I did have someone ask me if these are real fibers. So that's how great they look. They're not shiny. This is just one of those wigs that I just wear and go. No dry shampoo required on my end. So yeah, it's just really easy to wear and so comfortable. So I'm gonna take the wig cap off so you can see what it looks like inside. So the inside of Breezy Wavez is your closed cap, non-lace front. This is probably the most comfortable wig cap out there. As much as I love a lace front to look realistic and all of that, these ones are great, and especially since it's got the bangs, you don't really need a lace front. Has your classic wefted back. It is very stretchy. So I have an average head size, and I think this would probably fit pretty much about everyone. I haven't even tightened the bra straps, so it's still got a lot of give in the back. It has your, standard ear tabs There's a little bit of hair there, so I have worn this with glasses, but yeah, it's not a bother at all. And it has your extended felt nape, which is really comfy too. So overall, I think this is a very comfy wig. There's a lot of hair on this wig. It's definitely medium to a higher density. So if you're looking for something a little more natural looking, this one's probably not it. But yeah, it's because it's cut in a shag, it drops quite nicely. So it's not that big curl. Yeah, I really do enjoy that. I'll show you the crown because you probably didn't see that when it was on my head. So it is quite a nice, kind of a reddy brown shade. I find that it blends really well with a dusty rose. So it's got some brown or some auburn. There you go. You can't see, there's no lace crown or no lace monotop. So, but I do think it is blended quite nicely. It has those little fuzzies, but not exactly permatease, but it has some fuzzies in there, which, yeah, make it look really good. So yes, that's the color up close, just so I can give you a bit more of a shade demonstration. Perfect. I'm gonna put it back on and let you know my final thoughts. So I've had Breezy Wavez for about 2 or 3 weeks now. I've worn her probably around 6 or 7 times. And it was one of those wigs that as soon as it arrived, I opened the box, tore open the box and put it on my head. I have filmed multiple videos on this, check-ins in IG to show you guys how much I love this wig. And in the 2 to 3 weeks that I do own it, nothing has changed. I probably love it even more. It's definitely a favorite. It's my partner's favorite colored wig as well. This one is such a fun and easy wig to wear. I definitely like it more than my Hair You Wear Lilac Frost. Although it's lilac, it's a very different color. But what I was trying to achieve with this color and this dusty rose shade is the shade of my hair that I had before I lost it. So I'll insert a photo. I had rose gold hair probably around 3 to 6 months before I lost my hair to alopecia. So I really wanted that hair color back. It was one of my favorite hair colors that I had ever done. And yes, I think with this, I'm kind of achieving that same look, if not better. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I can see myself wearing this all year around with different colors and different, you know, color clothes and makeup. Today I've worn it with a bit more of a vampy look, but in one of my previous videos, I was wearing it with a bright red lipstick as well. I think it just goes with so many colors, and don't be afraid to play around with this one a little bit. So in summary, I love this wig. Thank you so much, Rene of Paris, for bringing out Breezy Wavez. It is stunning. I would love to try it in the teal color. That would probably be my next colored wig if I don't see anything else in the meantime. But yes, I have my eye on Cosmic Teal, and I'm really looking forward to trying that one too. But this pink one is beautiful. It's a very inexpensive style because of the basic cap features. So definitely, if you're in the market for a rose colored wig or a pink wig, go check this out. This one is stunning. You will not regret it. As I said, if you don't like a straight bang, swipe it to the side. Easy to wear and definitely worth the money that I spent on it. So thanks for watching my review of Rene of Paris Breezy Wavez today. Obviously my review was to be expected because I do love this and I have expressed it for the past 3 weeks. So yes, do yourself a favor and go and buy this wig. It is great. And don't forget before you leave to please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.